Dear learners, welcome to Jack of English, myself Amrito Sarkar. Now I myself represent such a topic related to dream actually. So the most pleasurable topic in our life is called a dream. Dream as a silent imagination knocking for the first time at our specific mind. So if you are a school or college or university going students, then it's very important for you to realize the hints of dream, to hints every 5 letters of the dream, and it is very important to know while this question comes to the examination hall. So let's see how these 5 letters are indicating their facts of the world individually. So we have just 5 fingers and dream has 5 letters. So number 1, which is indicating as D. So D is actually hinting, you can see on the paper, on the chest of the paper, D means definition, distance, destination and disturbance. So first one, which is as definition. So definition means dream has no definition of its own, because we can hypothetically say that dream as a silent imagination knocking at mind, but it has no specific definition or scientific definition. It comes to us very subconsciously. And the second one, you can see that distance. So dream has a large or long distance in our life. So we are living in reality and dream actually is living in the imaginary world. So there is no relationship in between us and the dream. So the third one, you can see that the destination. So dream actually builds a specific destination for us. After our parents, dream is actually a real guide to our life, how to decorate our life in a newer way. Now you can see the last letter, which is called as disturbance. So every time dream is disturbing us, and it is considered as the sweetest disturbance of our human life. Even if you might be very much puzzling, or you might be very much embarrassed. You might feel embarrassed if someone is disturbing you, but you will never ever feel embarrassed if dream is disturbing you. So the most sweetest disturbance of our human life is called dream. So you can see the two codes as referred to dream. I have long distance. I haven't any long distance. It's indicating that dream has a long distance. So we have been living in reality, and dream it's living in the world of imaginary, and it has no relationship in between the reality and its world. And the second quote, you can see that I set up destiny. Yeah, definitely. We have our specific destination where we want to go actually, and we want to influence our life in the proper career way that we want to establish. So you can, from those two quotes, you can say that dream has no definition of its own, dream has a long distance which can't be measured, and dream has destination that has been built from our earlier life after our parents, I have said you. And the last one, dream is considered to be the most sweetest disturbance. Now I hope you will be clear about those questions related to dream. Now the second one, you can see the second letter, which is called as R. So R means realism and renovation. As I have said that dream has no relationship with reality, because reality means the most axiomatic evidence that we never ever ignore. But dream has such a large evidence, and that is still ignoring us from reaching there and at the path of its real life. So you can see the second word, which is called the renovation. So every time dream is renovating our life. So somewhat we might feel somewhat frustrated in our life, or in our ongoing life we might feel very much frustrated, or so-called the embarrassing situation can be occurred at any time. So renovation means every time dream is renovating our way and also the path of our career. So you can see the two quotes, I help to rebuild hope. So the rebuilding hope means rebuilding the pleasure for moving forward. So sometimes we might feel forgetful for moving ourselves forward. So dream helps ourselves to move forward in our real life. And the second quote, you can say that I am far from reality, but a sign of life's beauty. Though dream is very far, it has a long distance from us, but it actually indicates how to decorate our life in a proper way, and that is called the beautification of our life. So these two letters are gone with the specific definition that I have explained myself. Now The third letter, which is so-called the E. So E means expression, emotion, and endlessness. So expression means dream only can express itself at the time of sleep. So sleep is the ultimate trip of our life. Whenever we go to sleep, then dream actually comes to our eyes and it stimulates our cells and also each kind of organs to stimulate our ambition. So dream has only expression, but it has no definition of its own. And the second one, emotion. So while we are seeing a specific dream related to delightful or fearful dream, then it actually raises up our emotion. So every time we are raising up our emotion, and that is learned from the dream. Endlessness. Even we might have traveled many a mile, but dream has immeasurable miles, which is called endlessness. So while dream is being ended up, then it will get started again and again. So dream has endlessness. That means it has a large effect approach. So there are two quotes related to it. I can only express. So dream itself can only express to our life, and it can indicate itself how to reform our life. And the second one, I raise up emotion. Oh, the most enemiest or the most fearful effect in our human life is called emotion. So dream is the first one who raises up our first emotion. Okay, so DRE, these three letters are gone with their specific and individual definition that I have described. Now, the fourth letters, which is so-called A. So A means ambition. We always love to hold our specific ambition. If you are school-going student, college-going student, or university-going students, you have only one hidden treasure related to ambition. So dream after our parents helps us to get in contact with our individual ambition that we want to approach ourselves. So this is the first letter which is related to ambition. And the second one, which is so-called the acquirement. When do we feel the impression of our victorious moment? So the victorious moment we are getting from playing cricket, from the speech, and from our appreciation, and that is related to acquirement. So dream helps us to get in contact with the acquirement, and that's why we never give up any kind of hopes and our own views while being established. So there are two quotes. I gift aims. So there is no one who can gift you aims, but only the dream is in our life who can gift us a specific ambition which we want to establish ourselves from the beginning of our life. And the second quote, which you can see very clearly, I recognize everyone about victory. So while we lose ourselves, we feel that we are the most inferior human being. And why do you feel so? Because dream actually learns ourselves, never give up any hope, never lose yourself in the time of defeatment. So if you have defeatment, then you need to approach yourself at any cost from any kind of path actually. So it means that it gives us ambition, and it actually helps us to get in contact with the acquirement. Okay, the last very attractive letter you can see, and which is so called the M. So M indicating mind, messenger, and map. So where does dream knock for the first time? Dream actually knocks for the first time at our mind. We don't know where the mind stays. We know scientifically where the heart stays, where the stimulative organ stays, but we never know where the mind is. But according to the literature specialist or psychological specialist, we can say that mind is where we can feel our approaches and our only on effronteries. So dream actually knocks at our mind for the first time. If there is a question says like why does it knock for the first time? So dream actually knocks for the first time at mind, at the center of our mind. So dream, how the dream works in our real life? This is the second question. So dream works in our real life as a messenger. So there is no one playing its role as a messenger. So messenger means every time we are feeling frustrated, every time we're feeling to get in touch with the uncertainties in our real life. So we love to ignore all the boundary of uncertainties, and the boundary of uncertainties are easily given up by the hope of dream that is actually staying at the center of mind. So dream works itself, and it loves to work itself as a messenger. And the last one, map. M for map. So there is a hidden treasure, as I have said to you. There is a hidden map that we have refurbished or re-established again and again. If the map is broken, then we help to rebuild it. So what does it mean? Dream actually works as a map for our innovation, creation, and also the last thing, which is called imagination. So imagination is born to be free, and from that great realization of our real life, and that is a great advancement started from dream. So we can see that dream knocks for the first time at the center of mind, and dream works itself, and it loves to work itself as a messenger, and every time it tries to send us messages about the fearful messages, like you are confronting with a gun's smoke, you are confronting with a poisonous snake which you never want to meet up, and the most delightful appearances that dream can establish. And it's like, for an example, you are meeting with a prince. You are meeting with a prince, you see someone standing with a garland of flowers, and someone looks very beautiful rather than other women being. So this is called the map, and which is rebuilt by the dream. So there are two quotes related to M. I knock at mind. I am not knocking at mind. I am actually knocking at camera, but at the screen of camera. But you can see that I knock at mind. So it is the quote of dream. And the second one, I build a map. Initially, dream actually helps to rebuild our map, how to approach ourselves, how to negotiate our life, and how to get in contact with the advancement that we want to get in the earliest part of our life. And the last one, I send message. So every time we are messaging ourselves in the social networking systems, but dream hiddenly or silently, whatever you say, dream actually silently sends us each and every indications related to messages. So dream works as a messenger. So these are the 5 letters which is actually indicating their facts, their features, or so-called the characteristics related to dream. So we have 5 fingers, and dream has 5 letters. So let me remind you, if we have 5 fingers, so it's very important in our student's life to make a real dream. Though we might not get in contact with the real dream, but even if it's broken initially or very frustratingly, then we will stimulate ourselves or inspire ourselves to get in another dream. So dream has endlessness, it will never ever be broken. So that's all about the dream, and there is the well explanation that I can build myself from the best effort. So this is the thing, or this is the theoretical approach I am thinking over the time. So this will help you to write down in examination hall, and I hope you will enjoy each and every letters and topics related to dream. So that's all from me. I hope you will be well by the grace of Almighty during the pandemic crisis. Thank you once again.